Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your tag size in your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to change your tag size, so guys you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change tag size in a Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your tag size. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see your display setting in your Xiaomi phone. So guys click on your display settings. So guys we will click here and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see your tag size. So guys tap here. So as you can see your tag size. So guys you can change from here like this large XL size and guys you can see this large extra larges. So guys you can change your tag size from here. So you can see guys your tag size will change in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change tag size in your Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.